Here we have a Craftsman single stage snow thrower, snow blower. I'm going to take the carb off and show you how to clean it. All right, put it up on its bucket like that. Get a 3/8 socket like so, and take all these screws off the housing. All right, give me 1 minute and I'll take it off. Hold on. Order for in-store pickup or delivery right to your home. Use it responsibly. Wendy's is 2 for $3 Biggie Bag. You create your own delicious combo. Choose from a sausage biscuit, egg and cheese biscuit, small seasoned potatoes, and a medium hot coffee. It's which combo's best? Sausage biscuit and small seasoned potatoes. Well, the fresh cracked egg and cheese biscuit with a medium hot coffee. Or 2 savory sausage biscuits. Okay, now you pull the cover, pop it out like so. And there's the carburetor. Now you need a torque bit, or I'm sorry, an Allen wrench, and a torque bit to take these off, but I don't touch them. I just take this off. I take the fuel line off, and I clamp it, vice grips, because I got gas in here and I don't want to ruin it. Alright, so give me a minute. Protect you against pneumococcal pneumonia in just 1 dose. Even if you've already been vaccinated with other pneumonia vaccines, Prevnar 20 may help provide added protection. Prevnar 20 is approved for adults to prevent infections from 20 strains of the bacteria that cause pneumococcal pneumonia. Continued approval may depend on a supportive study. Don't get Prevnar 20 if you've had a severe allergic reaction to the vaccine or its ingredients. Adults with weakened immune systems may have a lower response to the vaccine. Side effects include pain and swelling at the injection site, fatigue, headache, muscle, and joint pain. For full prescribing information, please call 1-855-213-213. As you can see, I clamped the hose off with the vice grips like that so it don't leak and get all over the shed. And you take, like I said, an Allen wrench. You take these 2 bolts off. So give me a minute.
I'm Ed Herr, Chairman and CEO of Herr Foods. We're proud to partner with the Salvation Army Greater Philadelphia to help local families in need this holiday season and beyond. Hersh's chips and snacks are forever good. Help the Salvation Army do the most good. Give at saphilly.org.
From the Comcast Business Studios, this is Baseline Media Group's WNGK-FM and WNGK-HD1, Philadelphia's classic rock station.
Good time. Ain't got time to wait. Changing plan. I'm going to just take the carburetor bowl off. I don't really need to take these screws off because I got the carburetor, the hose off, so I'm going to clean it this way. It's a lot easier. All right, so what you do is you take this off. Gas is coming out. That's a good sign. And then you pop the clip. Or what, I'm not even going to do that. I'm just going to get my carb cleaner. Alright, let me find my hose for the carb cleaner can. Give me a sec.
Okay, sorry. All right, so I got my can and carb cleaner, and it's going to be hard to try to hold this and show you, but I'm going to put the nozzle in there, in this hole, all right, and pop this out a little bit to float, and make sure it's clear. All right, so let me do that. Okay, that's done. I'm going to take the bowl, and we're going to clean the bowl out. It's really not that bad, but I want to clean it out anyway. So give me a minute. Now we're going to clean the carburetor screw. It's got holes in there, and then there's one right there. Take the washer off. So give me a minute. And you take a wire like so, and you go in and out with it, clean it real good, and then get a little wire and poke a hole right in there. I don't know if you can see that, right in there, after you take this wire out. All right, and then you spray the carb cleaner and make sure it's really clean. All right, give me 1 second. All right, that's nice and clean. I'm going to put it all back together. All right, now I'll show you a trick. Give me 1 second. You see the float right here, and this line right there. See the line right here? That has to be perpendicular with it. All right, push that in. Take your carb bolt, meter jet bolt or key or whatever. All right, and you tighten it up. Sorry about the video. And then you just tighten it up. Don't over tight, because you can snap that. It's real easy to snap it. All right, put the fuel line on it. Put it back together. So give me a minute. Got to replace the fuel line. Give me a sec. Okay. Okay, that's all done. Check that, no leaks. All right, and you put the housing back on. Pop it in here first. Make sure you got that choke lever in there first, like that. All right, just like that. Press down. All right, just give me a second. You guys get the idea. Hold on. I'm going to put the screws back in, all of them. So in a couple minutes.
It's Philadelphia's classic rock. 102.9 MGK.
Okay, it's all together. Put it back on, off the nose of the snowblower. Let it sit for like a minute. Get all the juices back where they should go. Same thing with the Toro that I just showed you in the previous video. Turn the key on. Make sure the choke's on. Prime it 3 times. 2, 3, and 1 second. That's it. Stay printable. Good to go. Everything works. The reason why I did that, it clears the carburetor out better. And that's it. All done with that one. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and have a great day.